Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Cancer. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. I'll be picking a few cards from three different decks, guys. Let's see what's coming up. Cancer, Knight of Cups, okay, Nine of Swords, Six of Pentacles, Four of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, yes. Cancer, these cards denote somebody visiting you, maybe a friend or your person, they are coming to see you, okay. Maybe they are bringing some unexpected news or gifts, okay. There may be gifts involved, they are gifting you maybe the things you like, okay. And uh, but you are having what to say, maybe you're expecting them a lot and you are feeling sleepless, what to say, maybe anxious about their visit. For some of you all, that is the energy here, okay. Some of you all may be feeling very anxious about the visit, maybe out of it might be happiness, anxiety, okay. And you are celebrating with them, guys. That is also the energy here. You're celebrating, you're expecting their visit, okay. And you're accomplishing something, okay, whatever you wanted to with that person. That may also be the energy here, Cancer. So there is some kind of visit from your person or your family member, friend, and they are bringing you gifts and you're feeling very satisfied, guys. But something is troubling you, maybe the visit from this friend, okay, or maybe the purpose of their visit, okay. Something is causing anxiety in you. Let's find out what it is, guys. Let me pick out a few more cards from the other deck. Let's see what's coming up, guys. Why are you anxious over what? Let's find the answers. Choices. With these cards, I feel Cancer, you have many choices, okay. Maybe in your relationship you may like somebody and the visit from this person may make you feel a little bit anxious, okay. uh, you are still in doubt whether to be with this person or be with the other person, okay. That may be the energy here, guys. Or maybe this may be your person's energy also, okay. For some of you all, you may be anxious because you're hiding your some kind of addictions from them, okay. Some kind of activity this person does not know, okay, about you, maybe. Maybe it can even be some thing you pursue, some kind of sport or a health routine, something you were not open, you were not openly talking about to them, okay. Something of that kind. they are not aware of, your person is not aware of. Okay, maybe this may cause your anxiety, okay, whether they will find out about you, or maybe your person wants to take this relationship forward, and maybe you're worried because of the responsibilities involved in the relationship. Okay, and you don't want to what to say, sacrifice your independence or freedom, okay, for this relationship. Maybe that may also be the energy here, guys. You may find it difficult to devote your time and energy for this relationship, sacrifice your individuality for this relationship, okay, or this may be your person's energy. They may be having doubts, okay, regarding whether it is the time to do it now right away. Okay, so they may be having a little bit doubts regarding that. So that may be causing this anxiety, guys, but they are coming over. Okay, or maybe you're planning to go to meet them, okay, to be with them. That may also be the energy here, Cancer. So let's pick few cards from this angel guidance deck, guys. Let's see what is coming, for what our actions should be, how we should be, guys, how we should be to tackle the situation. Okay, what is the angels guiding us to do this day? Be accommodating. Step into the light. Face your challenges. So, Cancer, with these cards, I feel when you are honoring your own ideals and beliefs, you should be flexible enough to consider the other person's suggestions also. Okay, listen to the other person, so that way when you listen to them, you will know the truth. Okay, and you will view your situation from a different point of view, guys. When you do that, you will get a better clarity of your situation. So you need to do that, guys. You need to listen to your person more often, and that will help you in a long way to build this happy relationship. And you need to accept the truth, guys, about your situation, and face the what to say, whatever crisis you are facing every day, okay, with great strength. You should face it with your inner strength. Okay, and whatever happens for a reason, guys, and out of that experience we get a good lesson. Okay, throughout our life we get a valuable lesson from all the suffering we undergo. Okay, so it is just another opportunity to learn something in life. So when you go into any crisis with this attitude, it will give you the courage to face it, guys, courage to face it with confidence. And nothing is permanent. Okay, so even your problems are going to dissolve in the future, maybe even today. So you need to understand that. So this in this universe, everything just changes, guys. So even these crisis days are going to pass over. Okay, so there is nothing that is going to stay forever. So when you understand that, it will support you greatly in your journey, guys. In your day-to-day life, you can easily give up the negativity, and you can accept the change, the light that is coming into your life. Okay, so you need to be courageous enough, guys, to talk to your person, speak about the problems you both have in your relationship, okay, and try to come to an understanding. You will clearly get the solution to your problems, guys. That is energy Cancer. That is a reading for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Cancer.